How to make leather gloves in RuneScape. Leather gloves are the most basic gloves in RuneScape. They do give some melee defense bonuses, so it's better wearing them all the time instead of nothing at all. These gloves can also be created with the most basic crafting ability. Steps. 1. Know that you only need a level 1 crafting level to make them. 2. Gather cowhide. The best place to do is in the cow field of Lumbridge. A lot of new players prefer to train on cows there. Try to pick up an entire inventory of hide in one sitting to save time later. 3. Travel to Kharid. To save lots of time, be sure to enable the Lodestone Network. 4. Locate the tanner. He's just north of the Kharid furnace. 5. Have him tan the cowhide. Tanning regular cowhide is free of charge. 6. Use a thread and needle on the cowhide. Choose the leather gloves option.